In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subscriber from your Substack list. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently remove someone from your email list when you need to, without accidentally changing anything else in your account. First, go ahead and log into your Substack account using your usual details. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a main menu running down that side. In that menu, find the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you manage your publication, posts, and audience. After the dashboard loads, stay focused on that same left-hand panel. In this menu, you'll see an option called Subscribers. Click on Subscribers to open up your full list of people who are currently subscribed to your newsletter. You should now see a table or list view containing your subscribers, usually showing their email addresses, subscription type, and status. Take a moment to locate the specific subscriber you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if Substack shows a search bar at the top, you can type in the subscriber's email address or name to find them more quickly. Once you've found the right person in the list, look at the right-hand side of that subscriber's row. You'll see a small More Options icon, often represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu with additional actions you can take for that subscriber. In the drop-down, select the option that says Remove from List. As soon as you click that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Substack will warn you that removing the subscriber from your list will prevent them from receiving any future emails from your publication. This is important to understand. Once removed, they'll no longer get your newsletters or updates unless they subscribe again in the future. If you're sure you want to go ahead, click the Remove button in that pop-up. Substack will then process the change and the page will reload. After it refreshes, check your subscribers list again. You should no longer see that subscriber in the list, which confirms they've been successfully removed. And that's all you need to do. You've now learned how to remove a subscriber from your Substack list quickly and safely, using just a few clicks from your dashboard.